with a second part of the Hobonichi haul. I made this second purchase right, I think about a few days after I made the first one. So let's unbox this, or whatever you call it. I'm quite disappointed with Hobonichi because to me Hobonichi is not cheap. So when it comes in a package just like this, I'm quite disappointed. I would have thought that they would provide me with a small box, you know. Regardless of what is inside here, the amount of money that we pay for considered as luxury item is not worth this package right here. Plus the box that came in last time was really badly packaged. So these are the items. I only bought the accessories. So the first thing that we have is actually the weekly, and I'm going to use this to put my meetings for that week because I want to see what meetings I have on the next day. So usually I get kind of panicky at night or even in the morning before leaving for work, because I'm just worried that I might be late for certain meetings. So with this, it might help out in to make sure that I avoid being late for those meetings. Yes. Okay, so this one is this is called the Landscape Index for Schedule Book. So I'm going to use this for my A5. So it has a numbering there, so you can put this as part of your index page for the monthly section. That's what I'm going to use it for. And I chose the color orange because my cover is actually pink in color, so this should stand out a lot. This is the Wix pencil board. I don't know, this year they didn't really have anything interesting that I wanted except for Animal Crossing, and yeah, I think that's about it. So I decided to get last year's Astro Boy pencil board since they still have it in stock, so why not, right? I don't really watch this cartoon, but it is iconic. It is an iconic cartoon, so I might as well get it. To be completely honest, I think this pencil board is quite flimsy because it's very thin. So it is quite flimsy compared to my Traveler's Notebook pencil boards to keep it really travel friendly. So that's the reason why they put it, I mean, their materials are much thinner. So that's fine. That's how it looks like. Anyone who has not seen how a weekly book looks like, this is how it is. It starts in the week of December and January, so you have a few days to plan out a few things here. So for the 1st of January, it is on Saturday. Week by week, you can plan out whatever that you want to do. You can make it a to-do list even. Like I said, I'm going to use this one for my meetings, appointments, whatever inside here. So this is going to come in handy, and it's very thin. Last but not least, this is I can't remember what it's called, but it's lemon in color. I think this is like a masking tape, and that's how it looks like. I like the color, and it is a full it's a full backing, so it's not, it's like a tape itself. There's a serrated cutter right here, so you can use it to cut like that and stick it. As an example, you can put it like that. You can cut it according to the size that you want. So this one will cover about 4 by, what is this, 4 by 6, yeah, 4 by 6 boxes. so you can cut it carefully. You can remove it, so it's a removable tape, so you can place it anywhere you want. So that's great, isn't it? And that's about it. That's all that I bought from Hobonichi in my second batch. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this, and I hope that my video has helped you in some ways to navigate yourself around the Hobonichi website and perhaps buy something from there. Like I said just now, for the amount of money that you actually pay for Hobonichi items, you would have some sort of expectation from a Japanese website. Japanese culture, they have a lot of they go into details on certain things. So for example, if you buy something from them, they will wrap it up very nicely, and they will for you to give to whoever it is. Even if you are not gifting it to anyone, they will wrap it up nicely, so that, you know, if you are interested to give it to someone, it's already ready. So I would expect that sort of thing from Hobonichi, but unfortunately it wasn't translated this year. Last year it was, but not this year. So hopefully they back up. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.